This is my little closet vegetable garden that I got started.
Well, today I decided to spray my plants with a little bit of peroxide and water solution. There's a lot of benefits to using peroxide, but in very minute quantities. It helps your plants to reuptake nutrients. Um, it discourages fungus and bacterial growth. What I did was basically just spray the tops, spray the leaves a little bit. I just don't want any kind of shit to start growing that is unfavorable. Um, I'm not going to be spraying peroxide all the time. Maybe just like once every couple of weeks, just to keep my babies happy. That's basically all I really have for updates as of today. Thank you. Tomatoes. Lettuce is responding really well to the transplant. Carrots also. Broccoli also. We shall see. This is 1 inch in the ground, so obviously it's not 8 inches, it's 7 inches, but it's growing at about 1 inch a day.